Little Kids' Heart of Learning, a stress-free place for your little ones to have fun while learning and exploring.
Hello, friends. Would you like to name shapes today? Let's do it. For sure we can do this. I'm excited to learn too. Learning shapes helps you to make sense of the environment and to develop skills for reading, math, and science. It also lays a foundation for visual perception. Let's begin. Circle. Square. Triangle. Star. Hexagon. Octagon. Pentagon. Trapezoid. Crescent. Heart. Diamond. Kite. Oval. Cross. Rectangle. Teardrop. Ring. Semicircle. Arrow. Pie. Parallelogram. That was fun, and I can't wait to do this with you again. Don't forget to share and subscribe to Little Kids' Heart of Learning. Awesome! See you later!